Hey guys, this is Bo from eVision. Welcome to the e-learning module. So this is the main screen of your remote controller, and I'm gonna walk through the main screen to show you the main settings and everything means. So let's get started. So basically, you can see 4 parts over here: the upper, the middle, the lower, and left-hand side. So we'll talk about the left panel first. So basically, if you click on a device, you will see a bunch of lists of accessories and of course join information are here. In the UV section, you will see the firmware version of devices like radar and motor. And also you can do the calibration of devices. For example, the magnetic compass, ESC, gyroscope, things like that. Alright. The next one down is base station. So base station is the device to provide high accurate positioning. So if you have an entry provider where you have SuperLink base station, you can choose it over here. The next one is serving tool. The serving tool is the device to mark the boundary points of your operation field accurately. So if you guys have a serving tool and you can connect it via Bluetooth over here. Okay. So next one down is application. So if you have a new version, you can click upgrade over here. All right. And the next one is your RC. So the RC, you can upgrade the firmware as well over here. Don't forget to calibrate the rocker if you do so. And guys, keep in mind, okay, if you have multiple drones, for example, if you want to operate 2 drones at the same time, okay, so you want to do the following settings. So you will see a P301 module, which is not shown over here. So you want to upgrade one RC to 1.2.3 version and another RC to 1.2.2 version. So they won't have any interference. Okay, so that's one thing you want to keep in mind. So for the other settings, you can set up the different hand modes. For example, the Chinese hand, Japanese hand, American hand, as your preference. Alright, so the next one is RDK station. So if you have a SuperLink base station, you can click the connect over here. So this one is pretty straightforward. So the next one down is charger. So you can connect the charger via the Bluetooth and you can upgrade the firmware of the charger as well as the battery. Okay, over here. Alright guys, let's back to the main screen. So the next one is task. So if you go to task, you will find the record, the demand, plot, the survey. So these are tasks that you had created before and you can revisit them over here again. Okay, and also you can find the plot that you had deleted in the recycler over here. All right, so let's back to the main screen. The next one is log. So if you want to claim a warranty and you want to submit related logs to our engineer, and we have another video to show you how to do it, and you can watch them. Okay, that's log. The next one is user. Okay, so basically the user will show you the information and, for example, how many anchors that you have done before and how many operation time, right? Things like that. Okay. Okay, so the next one down is message. So if you have any errors or update is needed, and you can see the alerts info in this section. Okay, this is message. The next one is setting. One thing you can do is map setting. Okay, you can choose different map resources, or you can even input your customized map link over here. Okay. The next one is storage. Okay, you can delete some data you no longer use to save some space. Okay. And next one is FPV. You can enable and disable the video recording function as you need it. Next one is data account. So the data account, so if you want to choose other units, and you can change them over here. All right, so that's settings. And the last one is logout. If you want to log out your account, you can simply click that. All right. And next, I want to show you, let's look in the top section. They can show the icons from left to right. It's going to be the system reality check, the 4G signal, the base station connections, the drone battery level. So this is drone battery level, and this is optical avoidance mode. And as you can see, this is a you can see this one means we are in the lifting mode. Okay, and this is the RC battery level. All right, and we go to the middle section. So this basically see the drone system is ready, and the drone number is J150 55, and the communication is disconnected at this time. So this one, the GNSS, the battery, the co-controller, display things, and all stuff is green. That means they're all active, and there's no problem with it. Okay. The down is space station. I don't have it connected at this time, and I don't have serving tool connected as well. Okay. So let's look in the bottom at this moment, and we can actually drag the icon. As you can see, we can drag the icon to see 5 different flight mode. So in the normal section, this one is we do the autonomous spray or spread, and manual is manual enhancement mode. So the lift is for cargo lifting, and the AB mode is a way to create an operation route by using 2 lines. Okay, and survey is the way that you can use your drone to create a high resolution map. All right, so that's it for the application overview, and we have more videos to show you how to operate the drone, stuff like that. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for watching. This is both from your vision.